Good morning, students. Hey, real quickly, how much fun was that playground yesterday? It was so fun. As we looked at things yesterday, though, we are going to make a couple adjustments to make sure we are being really, really safe. The first one is, is we're going to have it so that each grade level gets to have the playground for a little bit by themselves, and then they'll go out to the field. So at the very beginning, when kindergarten goes out there, they're going to have the playground for about 12 minutes, and then for the other 13 minutes, they'll go out to the field. And they'll do that when the second grade comes out to take over the field. And we'll continue that kind of loop of where you get the playground for a little bit and then you go out to the field, just because there's so many kids and we don't want anyone to get hurt, but at least we all get to use it each day. The second thing I want to call our attention to is you guys did a great job of staying on the gravel path. One thing to note though, all those rocks, we do not pick those up. We leave them on the ground. And the same thing is true with the wood chips. We don't pick up the wood chips. We leave them where they're at because that provides us safety. In terms of the fields, as we talked about before, today you'll go out to the playground first, and then you'll go out to the fields. And then when we go back, we're going to go back this way to get to the building. So we're going to kind of make a loop. You'll come out, you'll go around here, go to the playground. Then when the whistle blows, it's time for the next group to have the playground. You'll go out to the field to play, and then finally we'll return this way. All right, the merry-go-round. That was really, really fun. A couple new rules I want you to be aware of just to keep people safe. First of all, you'll notice that there's 12 seats. There's one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and there's one over here, 12. There's only 12 people on the merry-go-round at a time, and you have to be seated. Secondly, we want to make sure our hands are in. No placing your arms out front so that you can give somebody a high five if someone can get hurt. Thirdly, we always spin from the inside. In other words, we always use this handle here or this hold here to spin the device. No one on the outside pushes the merry-go-round. And then finally, if you're waiting to get on the merry-go-round, you got to step away at least 2 big steps so that you're safe and you're not touching the spinning merry-go-round. I know we can do it. The other thing we want to talk about is this. Yesterday we were talking to the manufacturer and they suggest that we only have 3 people on each one at a time. So a total of 1, 2, 3. We could have another 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The second thing is they said absolutely no standing on it. You have to be seated. And you guys did a good job with that. Finally, if you're waiting to get on this, we're going to ask that everyone's lines up over here. And then when everybody gets off, then we'll load the next 9 people on. So if you want to do it next, get at the end of the line. Finally, a lot of kids love this. And it's really cool, but it's really high. So we're going to go over one more thing. When we're on this device here, yes, we can climb to the top, but there's no standing at the top. You can sit here, but we can't stand. All right, so once you get up, you got to sit down right away. Otherwise, have fun. Remember that to listen for that whistle because we're going to be switching from playground to field, and make sure you lap really fast so we can get out there, okay? Thanks a lot. Have fun on the playground, and we'll see you today.